Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cancel a bet on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, let me explain if you can or cannot cancel a bet according to the terms and conditions of Bet365. Under the betting procedure, placing bets/wagers on point 1.3, it says it is the responsibility of the customer to ensure details of their bet/wager are correct. Once bets/wagers have been placed, they may not be cancelled by the customer. Bets can only be changed by the customer using our Edit Bet feature where this is available. Bet365 reserves the right to cancel any bet/wager at any time. So according to this, you cannot cancel your bets, but in some cases, you can use the Edit feature to cancel it. Now let me show you another process. First of all, go to bet365.com. Then, once you're on this website, click on this Help button at the top right corner. Now, scroll a bit down, then you will see this option Contact Us. Click on it. Once you get to this page, click on this Open Chat button. Then, you'll have to enter your name and your email address. Once you do that, click on this Join Chat button. Once the chat starts, you can explain your problem to them that you want to cancel your bet, and they will certainly help you. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.